Hello friends, now we are going to see type 2 of singular integral. Type 2 is Clairaut's form. Clairaut's form is z is equal to px plus qy plus f of pq. Here the steps are, first put p is equal to a and q is equal to b in the given equation. Therefore, complete integral is z is equal to ax plus by plus f of a comma b. And then to find singular integral, we have to differentiate partially with respect to a and b and equate the equation to 0. So then find a and b. So put these a and b in the complete integral to get the singular integral. Let's see some examples. First one is find singular integral of z is equal to px plus qy plus pq. So here put p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Therefore z is equal to ax plus by plus ab. Then differentiate this equation partially with respect to a and b. When we differentiate with a, it becomes dou z by dou a is equal to, this a term become 1, therefore 1 into x, and in this term becomes 0, by becomes 0, and in ab it becomes b, therefore x plus b is equal to 0. And differentiate with respect to b, therefore here this ax term becomes 0 and by becomes y, because b is 1. When we differentiate it becomes 1, and here b is 1 again, therefore a into 1 is equal to a, therefore y plus a is equal to 0. From this we can say b is equal to minus x and a is equal to minus y. So substitute this a and b in this equation, that is the complete integral equation. Therefore z is equal to minus yx minus xy plus minus y into minus x. So minus into minus plus, therefore plus xy. Here minus yx, this is also minus yx, then so we add this, therefore it becomes minus 2xy plus xy. So when we subtract, it becomes z is equal to minus xy. This is the required equation. Here the question is z is equal to px plus qy plus p square minus q square. So put p is equal to a and q is equal to b in the given equation. Therefore z is equal to ax plus by plus a square minus b square. So differentiate this equation partially with respect to a and b. When differentiate with partially with a, it becomes dou z by dou a. Here ax becomes x and this term becomes 0 and a square becomes 2a, again minus b square becomes 0. Therefore x plus 2a equal to 0. Then dou z by dou b. Here this term becomes 0 and by becomes y plus a square is 0 and minus of minus 2b. Differentiate, it becomes 2b, which is equal to 0. So from this you can say a is equal to minus x by 2 and b is equal to y by 2. So substitute this a and b in the complete integral. Therefore z is equal to minus x square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus x square by 4 minus y square by 4. When we solve this, we can get, if we take LCM for this first two terms, it becomes minus 2x square plus x square by 4 plus 2y square minus y square by 4. From this, z is equal to minus x square by 4 plus y square by 4. Then when we cross multiply 4 with z, it becomes 4z is equal to y square minus x square. This is the required solution. Put p is equal to a and q is equal to b. Therefore z is equal to ax plus by plus root of 1 plus a square plus b square. So differentiate partially with respect to a and b the given equation. Therefore dou z by dou a is equal to x plus 1 by, here a becomes 1, therefore x plus this term by becomes 0. Again this term root, therefore root x formula, differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Therefore 1 by 2 root of 1 plus a square plus b square. Again differentiate this term 1 plus a square plus b square. 1 becomes 0, a square becomes 2a and b square becomes 0. Therefore 2a. So this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Here dou z by dou b is equal to ax term becomes 0, When we differentiate here with respect to b, it becomes y, and this term root of 1 plus a square plus b square becomes 1 by 2 root of 1 plus a square plus b square. Again, when we differentiate 1 plus a square plus b square, 1 plus a square becomes 0 and b square becomes 2b. Here also 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore, x is equal to minus a divided by root of 1 plus a square plus b square, and y is equal to minus b divided by root of 1 plus a square plus b square. Therefore, from this, we have to find 1 minus x square minus y square. Therefore, 1 minus when we square x term, it becomes a square divided by 1 plus a square plus b square, and y square becomes minus b square divided by 1 plus a square minus b square. So when we take LCM, denominator it will become 1 plus a square plus b square. In numerator, 1 plus cross multiply with the denominator term. Therefore, 1 plus a square plus b square minus a square minus b square. Therefore, a plus a square and minus a square gets cancelled, and plus b square minus b square gets cancelled. Therefore, 1 minus x square minus y square is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus a square plus b square. From this, we can say 1 plus a square plus b square is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x square minus y square. Taking square root on both sides. Therefore, square root of 1 plus a square plus b square is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. So, substitute in x and y. Therefore, x is equal to minus a divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square, and y is minus divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. From this, a is equal to minus x divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Here b is equal to minus y divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. So, substitute this a and b in the complete integral equation. Therefore, z is equal to minus x square divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square minus y square divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square plus 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. So, if we take LCM, it becomes minus x square minus y square plus 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. So, it will become root of 1 minus x square minus y square. So, when we solve this equation, it becomes z square is equal to minus x square minus y square plus 1. From this, we can say x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. This is the required equation.
If you like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel.